In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Now choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing. Following that, choose Default Print Service or tap on Add Service and download the one you wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so just tap on yours and make sure this switcher is on. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Now, if you wish to, you can always tap on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Add Printer, and use those two options. Click on the switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing, choose Allow, and tap on Find so your Motorola can search for your printer, or hit Add Printer by IP address, input it here, and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!